Okay, here is what's happening. I just learned, first of all, how to record without hands on Snapchat, so that's fun. The only reason you are seeing this video is because there is a competition between a certain friend group where we each create a YouTube channel, and whoever has the most views or subscribers or whatever the data is that we're looking at by the end of February wins something. I'm a competitive nature, obviously I'm participating. I posted a short on the wrong channel yesterday, so now I am trying to remix it. Can't figure out how to do that. Don't know why the green screen doesn't work. Don't know why remix doesn't work in general. I'm just talking over the other video. I don't know how to pause it so that I can insert a new recording. So we're trying it this way. Let's see if this works.
This is the story of how a lobster-themed AI assistant
Great
became
things.
the fastest-growing open source project in GitHub history.
Open source
What it
means
reveals
public.
about where personal computing is headed, and why the most interesting question is not whether you personally should run it, it is whether agentic AI is going to be safe to run locally for individuals. So
Boring.
what is Moltbot, formerly known as Clawd.Bot?
It's had 3 names at this point.
It's a very simple idea
They're on the 3rd name.
executed very ambitiously.
Somebody forgot to take their ADD medication.
That runs on your hardware, talks to you through apps you already use, and actually does things instead of just suggesting them. So you message it on WhatsApp, it reads your emails, it triages your inbox, it drafts responses, you tell it to book a flight, it opens a browser, it searches, it fills out forms, it confirms, you ask for the morning briefing, you get that before you finish your coffee.
Great.
The tagline is AI that actually does things. That's not marketing fluff. It is the core value prop and the core risk condensed into 5